Good afternoon, everyone. We're over here at Hamilton Ice Cream Company. This is where today's adventure begins. And we're about to try a Dole Whip. And I have not had a Dole Whip since I went to the Magic Kingdom at Walt Disney World. So let's go see what they taste like. These are the delicious ice creams here offered at the Hamilton Ice Cream Company, and today we're going to try a Dole Whip. I'm a huge fan of Dole Whips, and I know they're very delicious.
What flavor sounds good? Vanilla? Okay. I think that Perry does with vanilla.
And these are the ice cream selections right there. Those are all their flavors. So we're going to take our straw and we're going to go and try this beautiful Dole Whip ice cream here at Hamilton Ice Cream Company. And I'm about to tell everyone how it tastes and how beautiful. I can just smell the pineapple juice. It has a very wonderful. All right, let me try this wonderfully excellent Dole Whip. That is so good. Oh, that's wonderful. Now, like I've said before, I have not had a Dole Whip since I visited the Magic Kingdom in Orlando at Walt Disney World. But this tastes exactly like the ones you get at Aloha Isle over there at Walt Disney World. I absolutely love the flavor of this beautiful pineapple Dole Whip. It is so delicious. Right here at Hamilton Ice Cream Company in Hamilton, Georgia. That is so good. Okay, now this is a Pineapple Dole Whip Float. It has pineapple juice inside with pineapple ice cream, and it comes with a little umbrella with a cherry. Let me take a bite and tell everybody how this is. You can taste the juice that blends with the ice cream. Such flavor. I absolutely love the pineapple flavor. It really mixes well together. If you're a Disney fan or a fan of Disney, you'll know exactly what I'm talking about. This is absolutely delicious. Taking another sip of this beautiful drink, there's actual real pineapple down at the bottom. Let's take a sip. That is absolutely delicious. You can actually bite down on the real pineapple. Just exactly like Disney serves. Oh, this is so good. So good. Delicious. Awesome. It's wonderful. It's unique. It's delicious. It's perfect on a hot summer day like today when the temperature reaches over 90 degrees. It's just exactly like I remember. This brings me back to Aloha Isle. And we're just about to ride Aladdin's carpet ride over there at Magic Kingdom. So it's a little taste of Disney right here at Hamilton, Georgia. So delicious. What a wonderful pineapple flavor. Awesome. So good. Very cool, very cold. Very delicious. Such delicious ice cream. I'm a huge fan of Pineapple Dole Whips, and I'm so glad they're here at Hamilton Ice Cream Company in Hamilton, Georgia. And this ice cream, this Pineapple Dole Whip, is made with real pineapple juice. Real Dole pineapple juice. Just exactly like they make it at Disney. This Pineapple Dole Whip I just had is very delicious right here at Hamilton Ice Cream Company. I think it has to be even better than the ones at Disney. So good. Absolutely delicious. And Hamilton Ice Cream Company is located right behind Blimpie in Hamilton, Georgia. They have ones with pineapple soft serve or pineapple vanilla swirl. And over here they have the Dole Whip pineapple soft serve. They have the floats and the ice cream cups, and they're very delicious.
Yeah, we are. Oh, okay. She keeps it closed.
I love exactly how they taste. Just like Disney.
Cookies and cream and salted.
And here's all their flavors they offer here at Hamilton Ice Cream Company.
Yeah, babes. I'm fine.
That's scary.
Isn't that awesome? I'm so excited about that. We're getting your code right now, okay?
Fairy dust is delicious. I've even sampled a fairy dust. I'll link it in the description below.
It may come in pieces. Okay. What do you want? Do you want birthday cake or do you want pineapple?
Now, I want to tell y'all we don't have super man. We have their race out. We don't have super man or rainbow sprinkles. Okay,
Yeah, that's fine.
just vanilla with sprinkles, so we can always do that.
But the cake batter has sprinkles. Okay, good. Do you want cake batter with sprinkles? Cotton candies. Did we want those?
I absolutely enjoyed my Pineapple Dole Whip here at Hamilton Ice Cream Company.
Okay, I got it. See, that's what I thought it was.
So delicious. It brought back such precious memories of Disney.
We're gonna get one of those. Do you want it in it?
Those are so beautiful.
You're kidding.
And I love the decor here.
Wow.
That one says Detroit, Michigan. If you've enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. And most importantly, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching.